speculations amaningi concerning this virus, this vaccine. One moment kuthiwa ungahlaba abanye bayagula. Uyabuzula mama cases osukazwile ukuthi ubani uthe ehlaba wagula, this and that. And this third wave, they are saying ithatha mostly bona aba-vaccinate wave. So speculations.
So the speculation will science the water
nge-vaccine le ukuthi ndingananzelela iZimbabwe mostly sebenza nge-social media, even on the official things, on the things that are happening on ground, uyazifica ziliqiniso ku-social media. So thina asikwanisi ukuthi sithi skhethe ukuthi this is true, this is false, because the same thing elethwa i-government ku-social media uyibona isiliqiniso, then the same thing futhi ye-vaccine ukuthi iyabulala ingena ngaphi kuma-social media. So yikho lathi sesigcina
so lapha vele manje zahlala ungahlatshwanga uzobeni kade sizothi isibhedlela sokugcwele abantu sebegula, kodwa kwamanje eZimbabwe kwabe lo muntu oyedwa ohlatshwiwe osesibhedlela ogulayo.
Angikwazi ukukini khona, kodwa mina nilaba abalutshwana embaziyo abahlatshileyo abafileyo.
Abafileyo? Mina bengizathanda ukunceda ngabo. Babehlatshiwe ukuthi abafile? Ngaphi kini khona lapha emawabe?
eGwanda khona ngathi.
eGwanda. Okay. So ngenxa khona ukusisaba la.
Ukwesaba ngiyesaba khona ukuthi ngingumuntu ngizahamba ngehlaba. Sensenzela ukuthi into ingancedi because impilo it's about taking risks. So now I have to put my fears aside ngehlaba.
So uzahambe eclinic eseduze ehlala.
Ngiyahamba.